quick question for you. What does this channel, this video, this video, this video, and this video, which is my video, all have in common? Go ahead and comment right now what you think they all have in common. By the end of this video, I'm going to explain what all of these channels have in common and how you can replicate the same thing to start affiliate marketing on YouTube. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn what these guys are doing so that you can do it too. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt, and I'm an affiliate marketer. I've promoted everything from security cameras, stand mixers, sound bars, web hosting, and online courses with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn how to actually make money with affiliate marketing, you want to learn real tips and tricks to make money with affiliate marketing, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell notification. Also, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start for your free unemployee handbook. That handbook is going to teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing step by step. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Today in this video, I'm going to show you examples of people that are making money with YouTube and affiliate marketing, how it's actually really easy and how you can replicate their success. So let's go ahead and take a look at some examples before I show you how to do it step by step. So look at this one right here. This one was the first one that I showed you, Blackstone 36-inch griddle unboxing and build. This video has over 100,000 views from about 2 years ago, and they only have 287 subscribers. If we take a look at this one here, how to install a solar panel, this person, 23,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers. If we come back over here, how to make pancakes on the Blackstone griddle, this 29,000 views, again, only 8,000 subscribers. So one thing that I want you to notice right off the bat is that these are teeny tiny channels that are getting thousands of views. And in general, on YouTube, anything less than 50,000 subscribers is a tiny channel. I'm a tiny channel. If you have less than 50,000, most likely you're a tiny channel as well. Now look at this one, Craftsman 28-inch wall cabinet install, 19,000 views, only 3,000 subscribers. One of the biggest complaints about affiliate marketing is people think that you have to have this huge mega following to make money, when in reality, this guy has the opportunity to make money with a teeny tiny channel. And the last one that I want to show you, as I mentioned, this is actually my YouTube channel, and I'm going to mute this, and I'm going to let you see exactly what I'm doing so that you can do it too. Apparently, YouTube is making money from ads on this channel. That is me. If you've ever wanted to know what I look like in my backyard. 657 views, only 1 subscriber, and I might be that subscriber. Now take a look at the title here. Little Tykes, giant inflatable side bouncer with heavy duty bouncer setup. Can you tell what I'm doing to make money with affiliate marketing? If you do, comment right now, but let's go ahead and walk through it. Never mind the grass. The grass isn't looking too great right now. I'm fixing it, okay? That might be a different YouTube channel for a different day, but so let's go ahead and talk about how you can do this. And it's really, really simple. What you're going to do is you're going to find products lying around your house. That's what these guys have done. They've all basically found products that they have either purchased recently or they had intended to make a video about, and you are simply going to create content to solve problems. For example, with this one, how to install the solar panel. These are people that realize that they don't want to keep changing the battery for their Ring video doorbell. And so he actually walks them through the process of installing this solar panel. Maybe they had a Ring video doorbell with just the battery and they have to keep undoing it, plugging it in, and then, or they've had to buy multiple batteries to keep replacing it. He's actually offering a different solution to make life much easier. So look at this. He actually has the affiliate link right here. If I were to click on it, it would take us over to Amazon. The biggest complaint will be, well, Amazon pays such low commissions. Any commissions is better than no commissions, 1. 2, the cart value is what's most important. Someone may click on your affiliate link to buy the solar panel, but then they might buy 5 other accessories on top of that. And so you can actually have a cart value of $300 before you know it on a simple $70 or $80 product. So if we take a look at this one, he could be an affiliate for Lowe's or Amazon. I think this product might be on Amazon. And once again, he can provide different tips and tricks for people that might be interested or comparing this griddle to the other griddles that are out there. He puts his link in the description and he could potentially make money. So let's go ahead and talk about the easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing over on YouTube. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go to wherever you buy all of your products. Most people buy their products on Amazon, and so that's where we're going to go. We're going to type in Amazon Associates, or we're going to type in Amazon affiliate program. Either one will work. Now, this can be done for Best Buy. This can be done for Walmart, Target. This can be done for anything out there, okay? And so when I click on this, this is going to take us to the affiliate network or the affiliate wing of Amazon. So I'm just going to open this up in incognito mode, and it's going to ask us to apply. It's going to tell us we need to have a YouTube channel. Hopefully by now you've already started a YouTube channel. If you haven't, go ahead and create one real quick. You click on sign up. It's going to walk you through the process, and you're going to get what's called a provisional or conditional acceptance. So basically what that means is you need to have 3 qualified sales within, I believe it's either 90 days or 6 months. I don't remember exactly what it is. And then once you get those 3 qualified sales, then you can be a full member of Amazon. But if you don't get those 3 sales, you can always just reapply and keep reapplying until you get those 3 sales. So you don't need a huge mega channel to get started. So that's number 1. Step number 2 is to jump over to Amazon and take a look at your recent purchases. And what you're going to do is, okay, so a recent purchase that I made was high-key sugar-free chocolate turtles. Just copy this, just like this. We're going to copy this. We're going to go over to YouTube, and we're going to paste this in, just like this. And we're going to hit enter. And we're going to see if people are looking this up. Look at this, top result, high-key keto candy turtles. 6,000 views from a year ago. Be aware of sugar-free trap, 12,000 views. Look at this one, 3.6 thousand views with only 375 subscribers. So you can do a review video, you can do an unboxing video, you can do a taste test, and you can make money. So as you see here, look at these are all different opportunities. And actually, the cool thing is there's not a lot of competition for this keyword. As you can see, there's only really 1, 2 videos at most that are directly, 3 videos at most that are directly related to the content that we're looking up. So you're simply going to put in the name of the product, hit the space bar, and see if people are asking questions. And you can do this all day, every day. So we did it with this one. And what I recommend that you do is you do this a few times per week. And most of us have so many products, have purchased so many products from Amazon, we could virtually never run out of a product. And what I recommend that you do, as a side note, I recommend that once you get up and running with Amazon, find something called SiteStripe. You want to download that to your computer. The reason why I think you should get started with SiteStripe is because you'll be able to get your text links right from here instead of having to go through the back office of Amazon. Now, if you don't buy anything from Amazon, that's fine. You can do this again with Walmart or Best Buy or Target. You can do this with any product or service that you've purchased recently, but this is the easiest way to get up and running. So I just opened up this second one here, and I could do a review on this. So as you can see, I purchased this. We're just going to copy it just like this, and we're going to paste this once again right into YouTube. And what you're going to do is just simply create content around this product. Look at this. The top result, 2.8 thousand views, 2,000 subscribers. The one below it, 123 views, 1.3 thousand subscribers. You can see that, once again, there isn't a ton of people creating content here, 2,000 views. So again, this is actually really simple. You don't want to overcomplicate it. Take your product that you purchased, come up, put it into the search bar, hit the space bar here, and see if people are asking questions. Now, we're going to go back over to Amazon one more time just to show you. So we can, let's look at this one. My son wanted a Mohawk helmet. And bonus tip, what you can do is if you join the Amazon Influencer Program, you can put these same videos right in the Amazon Influencer Program as well. So I'm just going to copy this one more time to show you that this is working and you don't need to have a huge, mega, ultra following. And so if we take a look, 831 views from 1 year ago. If we scroll down, 99 views. But this is it. This is affiliate marketing step by step. You put your affiliate links in the description of the video and then add a call to action. Say, hey, look, if you want to get this helmet today, click the first link. Or if you want to learn more about the helmet, click the first link and let them know, hey, it is an affiliate link. So just to recap, what you're going to do step by step is you are going to go over to Google and search Amazon Associates. Once you search Amazon Associates, you are going to apply to join the Amazon Affiliate Network. You are going to enter in your YouTube channel as the URL that you need, and then you are going to find the order screen, and you are simply going to do reviews or unboxings or taste tests or initial impressions on the products that you have purchased. Make sure that you put your affiliate links in the description of every one of your videos, and then add a call to action. And finally, what I recommend that you do is simply get on SiteStripe. Now that you know how to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube step by step, click the first link in the description for my free unemployed handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.